So back in 1989, Mazda decided to reinvent the roadster segment and came out with the MX-5 Miata, which has become the best-selling two-seater convertible in the world. We have a choice of 3 different MX-5s, one of which is a Fiat. So a couple of years ago, Fiat decided that they wanted to relaunch the 124 Spider. So they partnered up with Mazda and created the Fiat 124 Spider. Same car, couple of differences though. Both manufactured in the Hiroshima assembly plant in Japan, but the Fiat 124 has a Fiat-tuned suspension, has a prior generation manual transmission, and instead of a 2-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, it has a turbocharged engine. The third option in the MX-5 lineup is the RF, so this roof beautifully folds back and elegantly into the center of the car. It does not impact the trunk space at all. So one of the main differences between the soft top and the hard top is obviously in inclement weather. Put the hard top up on this car, you have a more secured and weather-tight environment than you have in the soft top version of the MX-5. But there are pluses and minuses to everything, as we know. The great thing about the MX-5 soft top is the top goes completely down. You don't have any blind spots. You don't have this pillar blocking your view. You have a classic roadster driving experience. This car looks great. Top up or top down, it really does look good, especially in this amazing red with the black BBS rims. This car has the sports package, so we've got the Brembo brakes. The car looks really good. They're great fun. I'm not going to recommend one of the 3 for you. You need to go out and try all 3, and you will find the one that is just right for you. And you'll have a lot of fun doing it. Go visit your Mazda dealership twice, and go visit your Fiat dealership, and see which one is the right fit for you. Remember, the Mazda MX-5 is in the Guinness Book of World Records as the best-selling 2-door, 2-seater roadster in the world. And there's a reason for that. These cars are a lot of fun. So as you may be able to hear, there's an IndyCar race taking place here. So we're going to go visit one of the drivers who's driving in the Pro Mazda series. He's 15 years old, not old enough to get his driver's license to be able to drive a car like this on the road. He's been racing since he's 3, and he is in the Pro Mazda series, so let's go check them out.
It's a really fast car, has a lot of power. I really like it compared to other cars like the F2000 and everything. We're getting up to the speed. Some races, like some tracks, so we're getting better every time. I started from karts when I was 3, and then I went to Europe. I won Italian championship. I won some WSK Supermax, and I won Canadian Nationals, American Championship. I won a lot of championships, really. It looks professional, it looks really good. How they made the car this year, it's really fast. It's like the old Indy Lights car, IndyCar or F1, really. That's my goal right now.
So regardless of which flavor or variety of MX-5/Fiat you end up getting, they are great cars to live with 3 months of the year, especially a hardtop like this, which, as I said, on a rainy day, close it up, got a nice controlled environment. These cars are a blast to drive. They're so light, they don't feel underpowered. The 0 to 60 in around 6 seconds seems quicker than that. You really do enjoy getting back to your driving basics. Swinging these cars through the corners, they are really fun. It's no wonder that they are the best-selling 2-door roadsters on the planet.